Beautiful, isn't it? Moy and Matty's gonna demonstrate with the rope. She's gonna jump and land in the water, guys. Look at her. That's what the rope is for, she says. No man. Me da laugh. Hey. Me da laugh. Me da laugh till you vex with me. Yeah? That's Moy and Matt, French Jamaican family. Come back, Ola.
Come back. Viens. Va nager?
Look how the dog is fat. Yeah?
Non. Ah ouais, ça fait mal, Oula. Regarde ça. Oula, viens ici. Regarde là. Tu arrêtes. Regarde, ça fait mal. Tu arrêtes. Non, là-bas.
This is country.
Country life is the best life.
This is a little truck here to take you to wherever. You know what this place looks like? Have you ever gone to Hope Garden? And you go through some little bushes and you see places like these where you can actually go under these trees and you can sit down, you can, yeah, this is like it. Hey guys, this is Charms Lifestyle.
You see our body big? Look at this beautiful lake, guys. Country life is the best life.
Man.
City girl, come a country.
It is so good.
So what do you think about my place, Charm? You like it? You like the area?
I love it. The environment. And guys, this place is much cooler than where I am living. It is cool. When I say cool, oh my God. It's very cool.
Will you consider coming here to live?
No, me.
Why?
If I am going to come here to live, I would have to have my own transportation, and that is what I don't have because you don't have you can't move when you want to. That's what I realized.
You want to walk on the road?
No.
Hola, Vexy.
But other than that, the place is good.
Look on big batty. This batty is manufactured by God.
This is God's gift to me, guys.
She
God
didn't.
gave me this one.
She didn't go to Mexico to make this batty.
No regret. This is real.
Show them. Turn the side.
It's not fake. It's real.
Turn. Show them the side. And then nobody will look to them in the pan way. Move your hand and stick out the batty. Look there. But that woman look like a 16. Tell her, guys, she not look like 16.
Velvet body. Velvet.
No donkey na bite her. Look, our skin clean.
Tell them again.
No donkey na bite
No
her.
donkey
Our
na bite
skin
me.
clean. Our skin
No
clean.
cow no buck me.
Like a baby
And
skin.
no alligator no using tail and slap me. Real thing.
So I'm Charm's cameraman for the day.
This place, let me tell you a little about this place, guys. This place There are no high apartments here. All the houses are flat. All the houses have backyard space. You see where Moy live? That place reminds me of Dwayne Park. You know those houses at Brooks Avenue? You enter through that little gate and that's how my house looks. And then you go around the back. Oh, it's good. I love it. The environment, it's quiet. You don't see anybody. You hear, listen to the sound of nature. Are you hearing it, guys?
The big bright sunshine.
The sound of, you see all them places here? Crocodile. My crocodile is here.
Come and take us to the... Go on tour the place, try me on vacation.
You can go down there, sir?
Yes, you can.
Nobody.
I go let go, Ola. I don't think nobody around there, so I go let her go. Ola, assis. Assis, Ola. Assis, toi. Assis, Ola. Assis.
French dog, the English
Ola,
dog.
assis, toi. Assis.
The dog that speaks two languages. Talk to him in French, boy. In English.
How do you go? Try me one time to carry home.
If I have the accommodation, I tell myself any day I can live with a dog, I will have a dog. I just love dogs. Those are my animals. I hate the cats.
I don't like cat neither. I don't like cats. Even though people said cat easy to take care of more than dog because...
Them too damn nasty.
Well, the same thing we have because the cat we can doing do in the house. You want to go this side, Charm? This side. Hola.
You close them.
Hola.
You know, you close them. Look at this.
When city girl come at town, then something. When city girl come at country, then something excites her. Just one little bush with 3 little flowers on it.
You know, see them something underneath me?
You live in a concrete jungle. Places like this I love to live, Charm. Where everybody know everybody. You sit down, you know, see no apartment building, you know, see nothing like that. Just nature and you.
Wow, look at this, guys.
Look there.
Nah, go down
And
there.
some big fish now. Look at Ola.
Wow, Ola gone to...
If you take something, be careful, Charm, man, you slide.
No, I'm your handicapped.
We say people, the woman face to you, see? And me, I look out for her.
Guys, Moy is always trying to...
No, that's how I am. I'm not trying to... Ola, je pas envie de mouiller là.
Trying to... Wow. Trying to... What do I say? I don't remember.
You talk about how me and try me to overprotect you.
Insult my intelligence. She's always trying to insult my intelligence, guys. You know? Come. Come. Oh.
Come, Ola, come.
Ola only listen to me when you is not around.
Oh, look how she wet me up. No. If you take something through like water, Charm, she will swim and go for you.
They are the best swimmers, like fish.
That's why she's coming back to me because she want me to throw something in the water for her.
Come, let me show this.
But look at this beautiful place.
Go for that. Go get that. Ola, wake me up, guys. Again, I ask more the question. What if crocodile should attack us? What would you do?
What would I do?
Oh! Yeah.
I wouldn't do anything because no crocodile is in this water.
No.
What would I do?
Let's pretend that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let me turn around the camera. You know what would I do if a crocodile should attack us here? I'll go home to my frying pan and come back and attack him back. That would I do. To attack. Worse if I know one big one, I want baby one, just do the the frying pan, if you lick him in the head, make him go back where he must come from.
You know that they run very fast
Me too.
and they jump 35 feet high.
They can jump?
They run very fast. The only way you can get away from a crocodile, let me tell you this, is if they can't turn because of that long bone. If you run straight, they will catch you. But if you turn, they can't catch you. Yes, and they jump very high.
Okay.
Yes. Wait.
Go.
Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching this video, and please give this video a thumbs up. And if you watch this video to the end, leave me a purple heart. See you later.